Alright, your first bell ringer is going to deal with our 5 types of line, which is your first assignment and project dealing with lines and creating a design. As you can see with the finished example, you're going to have some written information and you're going to have 15 boxes, and there'll be 3 boxes for each line type. You should have a handout at your table giving you some final directions that have to do with what you're going to be writing. But your first step is going to be drawing those 15 boxes. Now, part of the objective at the high school level is that you read a ruler. So your boxes all have to be 1 1/4 inches wide. That's going from the end of your ruler to the 1-inch mark, from the 1-inch mark to the line between the 1 1/2. The half mark is your long line. Think about half, it's halfway between 2 inches, okay? So everything's going to be 1 1 inch, and then I spaced them a 1/2 inch apart. Okay, so I'm on my last row and I wanted to show you a shortcut. If you'll do your measurement for your spacing first, then if you'll turn your ruler, line it up with the edge of your paper, it'll be straight, and just draw a light line across the paper. Then do your measurement for 1 1/4 inch and draw you another line across the paper. And what's really nice is you can take a really cool little shortcut, because you need all of these boxes to be in line, and then just turn your ruler. And if you'll use your ruler with the edge of your paper, you won't have to worry about your lines slanting. Line it up. And guys, if you'll hold your ruler in the middle steady, you'll be able to hold it and keep it from fishtailing when you draw with it. And just draw that line down, and then your boxes will be in line. So once you set up your first row, it's a really cool way to line up everything, because all you have to do is a 1 1/4 inch measurement, and then you're done. Okay, then in each box you're required to do different line types. So after you draw your boxes, you're going to write the word lines at the top of your page. Then you're going to write the definition and then the 5 types of lines. Then down beside each box you're going to write the words for each of your lines. All your directions are here, and you're going to write the words out beside them, which is the direction of those lines. Then using your ruler for your straight lines, you're going to create different patterns in your boxes. And again, make sure they're going the right way. Make sure on your straight lines you're using your ruler. That's why they're called straight lines. And you're going to do something different in each and every box for each of the 5 line types. And then you can make it make a pattern in your boxes. So I'm going to do 2 close, space over, do 2 close. This one I did 3 space and started over with my 1 line and my next one. And then I'm going to go and do horizontal. Same thing again. You're going to create patterns with them, and then you're going to do diagonal, and you'll notice it tells you to go left and right, so you're going to need to slant both directions, and you can space them far apart or close together. Then your spirals. I would like to see you do something a little bit different here and make them a little bit different. Start them in different places, make them a little close together, make them end in different places. And then zigzags. Just draw different zigzags in those boxes at the bottom. You have 2 days as of right now to complete this.